can't believe we're finally doing this. Feels like a whole new day. But let's get into it. Hey everybody, if you're tuning in for the first time, I'm just Christopher and welcome to my channel, or we like to say over here, hola. And for those that are returning back, guys, I missed you. Like, it's been real. I try to think of other things to like make videos about, but it just wasn't working. And interestingly enough, this was not the video I thought we were gonna do for the first one coming back, but here we are. Let's do this. Okay, you already know about the title, you already know about the photo, you know who this is. I'm gonna keep it 100 as I always do. I live in a Hispanic household. It might be loud, but that's not what I was keeping 100. That was already kind of known for that. What I'm keeping 100 is, I purchased this gentleman strongly based on his clothes. When I had read the emails and saw that there was a monarch coming, I tried to not get myself too excited. I'm glad I didn't. I will say though, I like the silver fox thing going on, salt and pepper. I feel like I'm missing something, but I feel like I'm right. Correct me later. Anyway, well, this box is a little bent. Back to what I was saying. So yeah, I was into like the salt and pepper kind of vibe. It was just on the promo images, the whole like baby face salt and pepper thing looks cute, but he is just not a guy that I think fits in my collection. So this review will be, I want to say non-biased because I want to keep an open mind, but at the same time, I don't know. We just gonna do what it do. We're just gonna go right into it because it's just not a lot of hype behind him for me personally. But I gotta build up to it. Okay, ready. Oh. Interesting. Here's the problem. Guys, I actually think he's attractive. The one thing that I was raving about before I opened this box is the one thing that I might take away. I might just take the salt and pepper hair away and, hey, yo, this was not the plan. I didn't think this was gonna happen. I'm dumbfounded. Whew, okay. Well, anywho, let me compose myself. I'm totally caught off guard. Oh, right. Sorry, let me show you. These boxes are the worst. Hold up. Apologies. Okay, let's see if that works a little better. Moving back a bit. You see that? Like, he's kind of cute. Let me stop looking at him. So let me pump my own brakes. If you are new here, I'm going to unbox him off camera. I don't want you to struggle with me while I take this out. Sometimes it's just not pretty. Now, when we come back, okay, we're gonna deck him out in all his accessories. You're gonna see him fully productive. And then after that, I'm gonna redress him into something. I don't know what I'm gonna redress him into, actually. I didn't think about this. He arrived today. I did the video. There was just no thinking. So yeah. Show you what he looks like with all his stuff. And then redress him. Okay, let's do it. See you soon. Okay, before I show everyone like the full look with everything, I just want to state that I really thought I was gonna not want him and just want his clothes. But this face, something about it just really in person has made me fall in love. I'm already thinking of different ways of maybe changing the hair. I definitely want to change his eye colors. So as I'm filming this, I'm on the fence because I was not expecting to actually like him. But anywho, moving on. Here he is with all of his accessories, glasses, overcoat, suit. I put on the gloved hands because I thought they were just stunning. There goes his watch. I love the little detail on the watch. Let me see. Can I open it? Can I show it? Is it there? No, it won't do it. Will it? So it's like a covered watch. So like you can't see the time kind of thing. Anywho, hard about details. There's that fabulous umbrella. I don't know. I think I have a thing for miniature umbrellas. I definitely purchased this for the umbrella as well. Love these shoes. One of the easiest ones to put on. And let me tell you something. When you like redressing your dolls, easy shoes to slide on are an amazing thing. This is really coming out of focus. I wonder why. Anywho, so here is Pablo, decked out in all of his goodies. And now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna redress him. And I feel like make him a little younger. Let's see. How can we flip this and make him a little bit more youthful? Yeah, this face though, I'm really loving it. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll be right back with look number 2. Okay guys, so here he is redressed. I really only just took off. Let me just rephrase that. So I added a hoodie and a pair of sneakers. I kept the coat and the pants, you'll see in a second. But before we get there, I just wanted to point out, look how youthful he looks without the glasses. And although most of his hair is under the hoodie, I'm loving more of this clean look. Like this vibe right now is what's really making me want to keep him. And I'm saying want to because I really was on some like, I just want the clothes. And now that he's here, I don't know if it's because I haven't had a new doll in a very long time, but I'm actually loving him. But yes, once again, I kept the overcoat because it's like our staple piece here. He's got his umbrella hand. And I just switched the sneakers. Kind of wanted to give this like business casual kind of vibe. Very like chilling on a Friday at work, ready to go out afterwards. Kind of casual. Think they're a couple? I make them a couple. Anyways, back to him. So yeah, here he is. Look 2, redressed, showing you a little bit different. And I can officially safely say that I'm in love with him. I didn't want to be, guys. I did not want to be. But yeah. He's staying. Yeah, it's official. He's staying. I'm in love. Yep. Look at that face. Oh God, so much prettier. Actually, I might keep the blue eyes. It's actually pretty. I was talking about changing them, but keep them. Oh God, yeah. Yeah. There he is. Redress, restyled. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I've missed you so much. If you didn't catch on the beginning of this video, I just want to say it again, how much I've missed you. Also, a couple of updates because we've been gone from each other for so long. I did get a convention ticket after a week of suspense and a lot of fear. At one point, I kind of just gave up and thought I was never going to get it. But I did. So going there, I pre-ordered pretty much everything thus far. So we will have hopefully a very full fall, season on this channel. What else? I am still waiting on another doll that I thought would be here by now. And I don't want to bash people because I'm very aware of our current situation. I've come to realize a lot of people are not aware of our current situation. Like, although this landed and it's arrived here and I filmed it, the rest of the world really isn't fully back together. So I'm being patient. Hopefully, she comes soon or someone else comes soon. But just want to let you all know, convention and I, we in there. How we in there, I still don't know, but we in there. We'll figure this out. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please, please, please make sure to subscribe. And make sure to hit the bell notification. It's somewhere on this side usually. I don't know. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.